we're gonna go ahead and go over the casino slot with using our Arduino. As you can see here, we have a buzzer. So every time you go ahead and win, the buzzer will go off for a second. And here we have the button. Sorry. Every time you go ahead and press this button, the numbers will change at random from 1 to 7. You guys can see. There you go. So we're gonna go ahead and go over our code. Once again, we're gonna go ahead and be using the liquid crystal I2C, our wire, and our interval, it will be random numbers equal to 0. Within our void setup, we have our LCD init, our black light, and then we have our pin mode 8, which is an input. That will be our push button, and we have a pin mode 5, which is an output. That was going to be our buzzer. We have int A is equal to 1, int B is equal to 2, and int C is equal to 3. The reason behind it is each one of these will change. So this is A, B, C. So when it starts, it'll start off as 1, 2, and 3. If you have them all the same under zeros, with the same number, it'll automatically win every time. So here we have our LCD.print on casino slot. That is going to be our first letters that say here, casino slot. Now we have a big space here because there's 16 blocks on the LCD that need to be used up. Here we have our set cursor at 0, 0. If digital read is equal to 8 is high, which means our button is being pressed, then this code will activate. So what it's telling us is that our LCD cursor is at 0, 1, which would be here, 0, 1. It's telling us that A, or int A, is going to be anywhere random between 1 and 7. And then on the LCD.print, it's going to display that number, which was anywhere between 1 and 7. There will be a delay of 1/10 of a second. And then again, it'll be the same thing for LCD on B and C. Once A, B, and C match, we add another if. On this if is if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, the next code will launch. So at 0, 0, the set cursor, it'll say you win. Again, we gotta use 16 spaces. And then the set cursor at 12, 0, it'll display whatever number it was that you won. So it could be A, B, or C in this case, because A is equal to B and B is equal to C. There'll be a delay of 2 seconds. It'll show it for 2 seconds, and then the buzzer will go off for 1 second. Our digital right 5 will go high for a second. Digital right 5 will go low for 1 second. And then LCD cursor is 0, 0. With the LCD print right here is 16 spaces so that it'll reset.